Sir Sahil, welcome to the podcast. I think we've come back from a very eventful weekend of celebrating Sahil ki Hana. Sahil, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
How are
so
you
much.
feeling?
Very good. Like, very blessed and very grateful for the fact that I got this opportunity
Yeah.
to get engaged to the love of my life. And the way my dad and his whole team organized, can't be more grateful.
Was it everything you ever dreamed of?
Always. This was it was a great dream and it came true.
Yeah. Sir, what about you? How do you feel now that all of it is over?
I feel very happy and satisfied that all that we had planned, we could execute, and I can't thank Almighty God enough for whatever we could achieve. Make every guest happy and make my son and his fiancée equally happy.
Amazing. Now, I want to ask you a very important question. मुझे पता है before the event happened, you were going back and forth on a few different venues. Why did you decide on Salalah?
Salalah, for a simple reason, it's just 1 hour flight from Dubai.
Right.
Second, and the most important, the weather. We are at the moment in peak summer of UAE, which is 50 degrees plus. Whereas in Salalah, 25, 20 degrees.
Yeah.
Little bit of rain in the air, beautiful surroundings. So couldn't have asked for a better place than Salalah.
Okay. So now my next question is for you, Sahil. You know that the guest list started at about 120.
Yeah.
We went to 400 plus. How did it get there?
This is Anis Sarjan mastermind. He keeps adding people.
Yeah.
You know, he keeps changing his mind and adds people last minute.
Yeah.
And how we reach that list, that number, Mr.
So,
Anis Sarjan only.
शादी में कितने होंगे?
पापा तो बोल रहे 1000 से ज़्यादा, but
Yeah.
I don't know. Whatever. See, it's up to him
Yeah.
and mom. Obviously, both are the decision makers for such a thing.
Yeah.
And whatever they want, we will do.
Amazing. You spoke about decision makers. I want to understand अभी ये जो पूरा event हुआ उसमें how much were you and Hana involved, or was it fully done by the parents?
It was fully done by the parents and the team, of course. They wanted to surprise us. We didn't know where the venue is. Of course, we knew it was in Salalah, but the venue, no photos, nothing was shared.
Okay.
And they completely surprised us with the venue. Was wow, beautiful.
Yeah.
Like, so blessed that we had an opportunity to be in such a luxurious hotel
Yeah.
and a resort. And we didn't know anything about the event flow. Who all are coming also, I was sometimes not even sure.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a surprise.
Sir, you managed to keep it a surprise all the way?
Oh yes, he knew it was in Salalah like you mentioned, but he didn't know the venue where we are doing it, whether it was Club by Fanar or the Havana they call as the parent company.
Yeah.
Because we wanted to give him a surprise, and I'm glad that he liked the surprise, because sometimes when you plan an event and if the guys who are leaving that event don't feel happy or don't feel excited, then you feel disappointed. But I'm glad Sahil and Hana and all the guests loved that venue. Can't ask for more.
Actually, when you spoke about surprises, I think every guest was surprised because of the way they were welcomed at the resort. The traditional Omani welcome. Would you all like to speak a little about it?
Well, I'll talk about my welcome. It
Okay.
was crazy, and you know the way they welcome in that traditional style, it was beautiful. And then the next day, because I reached on 6th and 7th, all the guests came and they were welcomed with the Omani style.
Yeah.
All the people, my dad was there. I also went to receive everybody, and
Yeah.
I'm sure they were happy with the welcome. They put the, what do you call that? I forgot.
garlands?
The garlands on them. So they were very
Yeah.
happy. I'm sure they were very happy.
And also there were bagpipers, right? Playing the traditional music. And what else? What else was there?
Well, there was a welcome by Omani Halwa. They had
Yes.
the sword, which is the tradition of how they dance.
Yeah.
So all this makes the small things make sweet memories for the guest, for the groom and the bride.
Yeah.
And like a lot of planning went behind it, and happy that it came out well. You know, we were all not sure what time the flights are going to land because the flights were delayed for a while. But thankfully on the day of 7th, everybody came on time, even though we were there receiving the guests from morning of 7th, 10 o'clock, till evening, 10 o'clock.
Yeah. Agreed. I think we all reached before sunset on that.
Some people.
Some people.
Most of us. Yeah,
Most
yeah,
of us,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Right. Okay. I want to come to the first event, which was the Sangeet. Now, we all know Sangeet generally hota hai before a wedding. But sir, you were adamant. You said Sahil की engagement में संगीत होना ही है. ऐसा क्यों?
इसलिए है क्योंकि जब मैंने शादी की थी 96 with Ruby, we did not have anything like this even for the wedding, because उस जमाने में संगीत का वो दौर नहीं था.
Yeah.
हमारी तो शादी जेट एज में हुई थी. 6 दिन में लड़की देखी, मंगनी हो गई, शादी हो गई, एक दिन का रिसेप्शन था, बट फॉर ड्यूरिंग दोज डेज उस हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा था. So I wanted something for my son's engagement to set a trend.
Yeah.
I mean, not to show people, but to set a trend कि engagement भी we can do it in retreat style while having the संगीत. I तो probably wanted to have one more day. This
Yeah.
guy stopped me. मुझे जिस दिन मेहंदी भी रखना था, हल्दी भी रखना था.
Right.
And then would have thought क्या करते हैं शादी में.
Yeah.
But I'm glad जितना भी सोचा अच्छे से execute हो गया.
Yeah.
और ऊपर वाले का बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ.
Right. Actually, Sangeet was an event that most people were very excited for. And if you remember, 11:30 को Sangeet शुरू हुआ. But Sahil, people were dancing with you till 4-5 in the morning. How did that feel?
Great, like, you know, it was the people I love who, you know, I was dancing around, and the people who I like to spend time with. So it's always a good feeling because you feel more comfortable with them and you feel
Yeah.
happy.
Were you surprised by some of the acts and the dances that your friends put on? Because I know
Very
you were
surprised.
enjoying yourself.
Very surprised because I don't consider my friends good dancers, but they gave their best.
Yeah.
And I was very happy. And I also did a solo, like a
Lovely.
surprise performance. So I was also very happy about it. It was my first time performing with my fiance.
Right. And actually, before we get to the performances, your entry with your brother driving the tuk-tuk and bringing you all in, that was special.
Yeah, also very awkward because my fiance was wearing a very heavy dress. To get her inside the vehicle was my worry.
Yeah,
And to get her out, that was my worry. I just
Yeah.
wanted to get over it because she was wearing a very heavy dress.
Yeah, and a beautiful one.
Yeah,
at that.
yeah, very
Yeah. Sir, why tuk-tuk for the entry?
Well, we got to do something different, you know.
Yeah.
I've seen weddings where people come in style, and tuk-tuk, you know, we associate with our rickshaw in Bombay.
Correct.
And we are Bombay guys.
Yeah.
So that's why tuk-tuk.
Okay, okay. Sahil, you know that your dad is a Bollywood buff, right? So were you expecting कि कुछ हटके करेंगे?
Yes, Amesha.
Yeah?
And I wasn't shocked when I saw that.
Yeah, you want to take our viewers through what exactly happened?
Well, as usual, he loves that movie Sholay, which I'm not such a big fan of.
Yeah.
And then he did that performance where Dharmendra goes on top.
Yeah.
And he gets drunk and he tries to get Basanti to marry him. So he did the same thing. I've seen this when I was a kid. He did
Okay.
the same performance and I was like, oh my god, why is he doing this? Why? It's my engagement.
Yeah.
But then to be honest, he put on a good act. And
He
he, you know,
did.
he literally, not the same as Dharmendra, but he did his best.
Yeah. And then it ended with Rizwan sir giving your mom's hand to him.
Even I've seen that before.
Yeah.
Because that happened in reality. I was not there.
Yeah.
Where because my uncle only introduced my mom to him.
Yeah.
And it was a good ending. Good ending. And
Yeah.
everyone laughed. That was the most important. thing.
Everyone loved it. सर अपने व्यूअर्स के लिए एक बार वो एनेक्ट कर दो ना.
Oh yes, गाँव वालों, ये जो बसंती है ना, इससे मेरा ब्याह होने वाला था, लेकिन उसकी बूढ़ी मौसी ने आके बीच में भांजी मार दी. अब मैं रुकने वाला नहीं. Suicide, suicide, suicide.
And for the viewers, can I just say he was on a ladder at this point, so you know the theatrics were up there.
मैं सुसाइड करने वाला सुसाइड सुसाइड
So on the Sangeet night, there were so many performances, but if you had to choose one that was your favorite, apart from yours and Hannah's, of course, what would that be?
Well, my brother was part of, I think, 9 dances or 10. To
Yeah.
remember that is also a big deal. And the one with all the combined friends, his friends and my friends, I think they were great.
बराबर.
Jum
Yeah.
Barabar, I was in that one.
Yeah.
So they did this one. Which one was it? Badtameez Dil.
Yeah.
Oh, that
Right.
was a top class performance. They did a good job, and
Yeah.
I like that song, so it connected with me a lot.
Sir, what about you? Which one was your favorite?
My favorite was his entry with Thana, the old song "आप यहाँ आए
Yeah.
इसलिए." Then he says "आपने बुलाया इसलिए."
I was paid for that.
आए हैं तो काम भी बताइए. ना पहले तो आप
मुस्कुराइए.
God,
Yeah.
I didn't
I
even know
loved
that.
it.
Yeah.
He didn't want to do it, and then I managed to convince his.
He
like
did
I
it for
always
you.
do.
I just did it for him. I'll be
Yeah.
honest.
But he did it so cutely, and it,
Yeah.
you know what? Because this is not a Gen Z song.
Yeah.
It is a song like हमारे ज़माने का है.
Yeah.
But it's related.
Yeah,
शादी
yeah.
का इरादा है.
We'll do it again.
Okay, Sahil, you want to reenact?
No. I don't even remember the lyrics of that.
Okay. Now moving on to the next day, we had the Desi Dip. I want to understand, Desi Dip usually hota hai around a haldi function. So since we were not having a haldi, what was the intent behind that function?
As like I mentioned earlier, the weather in Salala was beautiful. We are talking about 25 degrees weather,
Yeah.
little bit of mizzle in the air,
Yeah.
raindrops falling, and the water was beautiful temperature. You're
Yeah.
talking about 28 degrees temperature of water. It was heated.
Yeah.
So the atmosphere was good. And that's the reason I thought, okay, why not have this? Because people were, I will not say sick, but were fed up of the heat of UAE,
Yeah.
which is there every summer. So this was a great break where you get into the pool. Because imagine in summer in Dubai, you go into the pool in 50 degrees, you can't.
Yeah.
So this was 28 degrees. ऊपर से थोड़ी बारिश हो रही है, अच्छा सी धूप भी निकली है, beautiful music going on.
Yeah.
तो और क्या चाहिए? And people express themselves in such an event. You know, खुल के नाचते हैं.
Correct.
And I just loved it. And most importantly, his entry on that
Cart,
cart.
yeah.
Where both Hana and Sahil dance and entry. What an entry.
Yeah, yeah. And actually, Sahil, do you feel like this was the event where all the guests really let loose and you could see them in their element?
Well, clearly you saw all the uncles take out their t-shirts and jump in. So yeah, I guess they let loose.
But we also saw the Sergeant boys take off their t-shirts and
Well,
dance.
honestly, I was waiting to take off my t-shirt and jump in the pool.
Yeah.
So that was my moment.
You loved all of us showing our क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Six pack.
Six packs.
Yeah.
You loved.
Well, I no. No, none of us have a six-pack, but we'll try.
But y'all all had fun. I could see. Like the whole family was enjoying themselves.
Yes.
Oh, it was awesome. You know what? Like, and then having along with it the ganne ka juice,
Yeah.
the vada pav, the pani puri, and the bhel puri. All this adds to the full fun what everybody was enjoying in the pool.
Yeah.
तो ये माहौल ऐसा बन गया था ना कि सबने अच्छे से डांस किया, पानी में स्विमिंग की,
Yeah.
खेल कूद किया, मॉडलिंग किया,
Yeah.
और उसके बाद खाने का मजा भी लिया.
You know, Sahil, I want to tell you one thing. When Sir got ready for your engagement and we were walking towards the tent, he said one thing to me. Chalte chalte, you know, he just had this realization कि अरे ये तो last event है. And he just looked at me and said, खत्म हो गया. You know, and I think that was like testimony to
शादी भी
how
अभी
much.
बाकी है पापा. Don't worry.
But he was looking forward to it so much. Sir, how did you feel in that moment leading up to that engagement?
Gonna cry? Arre. Don't cry.
No.
Podcast है.
Oh my God.
You know, emotional. Because मेरे दो ही बेटे हैं. Like हमारे दो ही बेटे. और ये first event था हमारे family में. Okay, आदिल की शादी पहले हुई थी. But we were not so much involved as, of course, in my boys I was involved. And it was a dream come true.
Arre, bolo na. Why you're crying? You're a strong guy.
No, I felt happy. I felt on the top of the world.
एंड जब आपके बेटे ने और बहू ने एंट्री ली एट दैट पॉइंट कहीं पे आपको हिट हुआ कि यार मेरा बेटा बड़ा हो गया, इसकी शादी हो रही है?
Yes. I got married at 24. He got engaged at 25.
Yeah.
तो ऑफ कोर्स बड़ा तो हो गया है यार, मुझसे ज़्यादा समझदार है जो मैं 24 के एज पे था. जिस तरह से वो आना को लेके चल रहा है और दोनों की जोड़ी, आई रिमेंबर वो लोग जब फ्लाइट में जब जा रहे थे 6 को एक दूसरे से ऐसे बातें कर रहे थे लाइक किड्स, वो मासूमियत दिख रही थी.
Yeah.
और वो बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा था मुझे बिकॉज दे नो ईच अदर ना फॉर 2 years. बड़ी खुशी हुई उन लोगों को साथ में देख के. और मुझे खुशी हुई इस बात से कि मैंने जो सपना देखा था कि मेरे बच्चों के लिए मैं करूँगा, मैं पूरा कर पाया.
You really did.
I don't know.
This is all his planning. No,
Yeah.
nobody else. It's him and his team, of course, who helped him out.
But it's his vision.
He's the mastermind.
Yeah.
पापा 8 साल के थे तब गुजर गए. तब मुझे इवन तो भाई ने एहसास होने नहीं दिया पापा के एब्सेंस का, बट एक पापा होता है.
Yeah.
और बेटे को पापा मम्मी दोनों की जरूरत होती है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई ग्लैड दैट आई एम हैंगिंग अराउंड विद माय बॉयज एंड दे आर आल्सो इक्वली ओबीडिएंट एंड लिसन टू एवरीथिंग, यू नो, बिकॉज जो मैंने बताया जो जनरेशन गैप है जेन जी
Yeah.
और हम में बहुत बड़ा है, तो वो प्लग करना जरूरी था. तो देयर आर थिंग्स व्हिच आई वांटेड टू डू माय वे एंड देयर आर थिंग्स व्हिच दे वांट टू डू हिज वे. So there's nothing wrong as long as you balance it and keep both the parties happy, and they made sure that they agreed to whatever I wanted. Initially they didn't want to do all this.
Yeah.
With my wife was saying नहीं करना है, but मैंने एक बार मैं ठान लेता हूँ कुछ तो फिर nobody can stop me, and I think he can endorse on it.
Yeah. We were like saying why you want to spend so much for an engagement. Like mom was saying, she didn't have nothing against it. She was like, why you want to spend so much? Why do you want to plan so much? What will you do in the wedding? That was the only concern. But
Yeah.
you know, like I said, the mastermind wants to do something, especially
Yeah.
for planning such a high-profile event.
Yeah.
There's no
It
stopping
happens.
him.
But that's also because he's living his dream through you.
He's doing it out of love.
Yeah.
He loves his kids, so he did it. So we are all on board, and it's not a big thing for us because we are happy to be there. He's doing this for us, so we are
Yeah.
honored and grateful.
Like you said, I'm living my dream through them.
Yeah.
एंड बोलता है ना, ख्वाब देखना अच्छी बात है, ख्वाब देखा करो, लेकिन उसके पूरे होने की शर्त मत रखा करो. बट आई एम ग्लैड कि मैंने ये शर्त रखी जो ख्वाब मैंने देखा था,
Yeah.
एंड ग्लैड दैट आई कुड पुल दिस ऑफ, और वो ख्वाब पूरा हुआ. ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है, इंशाल्लाह देखेंगे आगे क्या होता है.
So आज सर तो इमोशनल हो गए, but can I just say during the engagement event, Azhar made all of us cry.
Not me. I didn't cry.
You didn't cry?
I don't cry.
But when he broke down, what was going
I
through
was
you?
sad for him. I was sad. I gave him a hug.
Yeah.
I was happy. It was such a of course it was very emotional. Anna cried, and as
Yeah.
usual, she tried to control it because she didn't want to spoil her makeup.
Makeup, yeah.
But she does. She's
Yeah.
good at crying. But like, I gave my brother a hug. Beautiful speech. Like,
Yeah.
wow, nailed it.
But did you expect that he would cry?
Yeah,
You did?
I expect. It's not the first time.
Really?
दिलवाला है अजहर.
Yeah.
हम
100%.
लोग कहते हैं ना, भाईजान सबकी जान है.
Yeah.
दिल बहुत बड़ा है, लेकिन वो बड़े दिल के पीछे एक छोटा सा एक कॉर्नर है जो बहुत सेंसिटिव है.
Yeah.
वो दिखाता नहीं है बहुत दफा, वो छुपा लेता है.
सर आपने अपने स्पीच में बोला कि जब एक दूसरे घर की बेटी घर में आती है एज अ बहू, सब बोलते हैं कि बहू बेटी बन गई, हमारे घर में बेटी नहीं थी, बेटी आ गई. बट यू सेड कि वो बेटी तब बनेगी जब मैं उसको अपने माँ बाप का प्यार दे पाऊंगा. सो दैट आई थिंक was really well said. And I want to ask, because you're the father of 2 sons and you've not had a daughter, does this role of father-in-law scare you a little, or do you feel like, nahin, I will be that father figure for Hannah?
It doesn't scare me at all because I've been so possessive about my boys,
Yeah.
and everybody knows that I love them a lot. So when a daughter-in-law comes, हम सब कहते हैं कि बेटी आ गई, but बेटी एक दूसरे घर से आती है, वो उसका माँ बाप का प्यार लेके आती है. स्पेशली बेटी अपने बाप की लाडली होती है, और हाना अपने पापा की बहुत लाडली है. एंड आई हैव सीन दैट. तो अगर मैं सिर्फ ये बोलूँगा कि मेरे घर में बेटी आ गई और उसको बेटी का प्यार नहीं दूंगा, तो
Yeah.
मैं रूबी बेटी का प्यार नहीं देंगे, तो फिर वी आर नॉट डूइंग जस्टिस टू बीइंग द सास ससुर.
Yeah.
I want Rahana to wholeheartedly, today she calls me uncle. Of
Yeah.
course, when she walks into my house and she experiences the love of a parent from Ruby and me, और जिस दिन वो पापा बोलेगी या मम्मी बोलेगी, मैं ये समझूंगा कि हमने उसका कॉन्फिडेंस जीत लिया है और उसने ये दिल से कहा है. बिकॉज खाली मम्मी पापा बोलने से या बेटी बोलने से नहीं होता है, वो एक्सपीरियंस कराना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को. और स्पेशली लड़की को जो
Yeah.
बाहर के घर से आती है, उसको एडजस्ट करने के लिए कंफर्टेबल करना पड़ेगा.
Right.
बच्चों में तो नोक जोक होती रहेगी, बट एज पेरेंट्स वी कैन नॉट बी बायस्ड टुवर्ड्स आवर सन जस्ट बिकॉज वो बाहर की लड़की. वी नीड टू बैक द गर्ल फर्स्ट along with the son.
Right. So this year has been a very special one. I think sir आपने और रूबी मैम ने 30 years of marriage celebrate किया, इनकी engagement हो गई, and you're also turning 55. Tell us a little bit about your birthday.
30th एनिवर्सरी तो हमारी मई में ही हो गई थी,
Yeah.
जो हमने पार्टी की थी घर पे. बट रूबी हैज ऑलवेज लाइक टू मिक्स our anniversary with any event happening. So I was happy that she did it.
Yeah.
Because उसे भी अपना हक बनता है अपना ख्वाब पूरा करने का, तो वो किए. अब आपने बताया कि साहिल की एंगेजमेंट वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट था, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था. अब बच्चों को एक लाइसेंस मिल गया है कि दे आर ऑफिशियली कनेक्टेड.
Yes.
रही बात मेरे बर्थडे की, देखते हैं, अभी और 1-1.5 महीने बाकी है. एवरीथिंग विल फॉल इन प्लेस.
Yeah. I think Sahil, are you going to have any surprises coming his way for his birthday?
Well, I would love to,
Yeah.
but I'm definitely not going to throw a Bollywood theme party because I'm fed up. And I'll not allow anyone else to also throw.
Okay.
But let's see.
Okay. So Sahil, now coming to your speech, you said you spoke a lot, you expressed it, मतलब दिल खोल के. And I remember Azhar ने सबको रुला दिया, आपने सबको हंसा दिया. Was that the plan?
Yeah, when everybody started crying and he started crying, I'm like, oh my god. Okay, now I have to make everybody laugh,
Yeah.
even though it's my engagement. So I decided, to crack some jokes, and it worked out very well.
It did.
So everyone was laughing, and I was like, all right, good.
Yeah.
No more tears because it's a happy day, right? Let's try
Yeah.
to make everyone
He
happy.
said that day that I love my papa the most.
Yeah.
Then he said, Mom, I'll call you later. So what does he mean?
Yeah, what does that mean?
I don't know.
So whom do you love more, your dad or your mom more?
My fiance.
Ah, that's the right answer.
No, you keep asking. Hana.
So father and mummy out. Fiance
we
in.
have
I
second
keep making
oh.
Jack though. Now you guys don't come and trouble me.
Yeah.
Please.
Now Hana's number one.
Yeah.
But finally, when you put the ring on her finger, I noticed कि you went down on one knee, which is
Oh, that was
great.
awesome.
But also you did this gesture where I think you took her.
Yeah, just because I cherish her, huh? So
Yeah.
I'm trying to make
That
her
was
feel.
so sweet.
Sweet.
You
So
cherish
sweet.
your lady, so you cherish her in every way possible.
Yeah, and at that moment, I remember seeing the emotion on Hana's parents' faces and your parents' faces, and it was beautiful. I think,
I have a very close bond with her mother and
Yeah.
father also, but mother is obviously
Yeah.
very close to me.
and also Sahil, one thing you said in your speech was you directly spoke to her parents, and you said, you have nothing to worry about, and I've got her, and I think that was such a sweet thing to say.
Well, yeah, I have to express that, but one thing is expressing, but one thing is implementing. So I hope I can do that for life.
You will.
I'm sure you will. Sir, so one thing we've all noticed is Sajan family के parties में Bollywood stars होते ही है, but in this event we saw none of them. Why?
Well, like मेरा मानना हमेशा यही है कि जब भी आप कोई इवेंट करते हो उस इवेंट को सक्सेसफुल करने के लिए आपके फैमिली और आपके गेस्ट होते हैं. यस, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू बॉलीवुड स्टार्स, अगर आप वो अहमियत अपने फैमिली और गेस्ट को दो तो वो इवेंट डेफिनेटली सक्सेसफुल होगा. अगर आप बॉलीवुड स्टार लेके आते हो तो सब बॉलीवुड स्टार के पीछे भागते हैं. नथिंग रॉन्ग इन इट,
Yeah.
बिकॉज उनका स्टारडम है. बट ये इवेंट मेरे बच्चों का था. मेरे बच्चों के लिए जो गेस्ट आए थे उनका था, हमारी फैमिली के लिए था. तो मैं चाहता था इम्पोर्टेंस बच्चों को मिले, फ्रेंड्स को मिले, फैमिली को मिले, इसलिए बॉलीवुड स्टार्स नहीं थे. और मेरे लिए सबसे सुपरस्टार मेरे फ्रेंड्स और मेरे फैमिली है और मेरे ऑफ कोर्स बच्चे हैं.
And you made them feel like that.
I guess so.
Yeah, my dad was really happy because he had all his childhood friends by his side because
Yeah.
they all grew up together. Now they're coming for his son's engagement. So I could see the smile on his face.
Yeah.
His close friends.
He has not stopped smiling throughout that weekend. Like, so आपके friends कहाँ से आए थे?
Well, of course बॉम्बे से तो आए थे जहाँ मैं पला बड़ा हूँ. घाटकोपर में मेरे फ्रेंड संदीप, अम्मार, होजेफ, विवेक. फिर गुजरात से मेरे 2 फ्रेंड्स आए थे. विवेक आए थे, उनकी वाइफ आरती आई थी. फिर अपनी निक्की आई थी, उसकी छोटी बहन आई थी. ऑस्ट्रेलिया से मेरी फ्रेंड ज्योति आई थी, उसकी फ्रेंड नीरू आई थी. तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगा कि अपने फ्रेंड्स आए. ऑफ कोर्स दुबई के फ्रेंड्स तो थे, मेरे आइकॉन्स के फ्रेंड्स थे, मेरे टॉप गन्स के फ्रेंड्स थे, डीबीसी के फ्रेंड्स थे, मेरी वाइफ के कुछ कजिन्स आए थे यूके से.
Yeah, she was
तो
happy.
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Yeah.
बिकॉज जैसे मैंने बताया कि फ्रेंड्स इवेंट को सक्सेसफुल बनाते हैं. यस, यू गॉट टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम, बट वो तुम्हारे जब खुशी में शामिल हो जाते हैं अपनापन लगता है.
Yeah. And I think अगर of course we can go all out and plan an event, but if they don't show up, then उनके बिना event अधूरा ही रह जाता.
एंड यस, आज की तारीख में जब हम पहले भी शादियां करते थे गेस्ट को बुलाते ही थे ना. फर्क सिर्फ इतना है कि ये उस जमाने के टाइम पे हम हॉल में बुलाते थे शादी के, अब हम डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग में बुला रहे हैं.
Yeah,
अब थोड़ा सा मेहनत ज्यादा करना पड़ता है, बट टाइम सब सिखा देता है.
definitely. And finally, 400 people in Salala. ये event आपने pull off किया with no external event organizing team. How did you do it?
Like, I've been blessed with a little bit of creative mind. I don't want to take all the credit, but I would rather say the captain is as good as the team. And I am blessed that I have a wonderful, wonderful in-house team. So when I talk about in-house team, the mastermind is, of course, who takes my ideas and puts into execution is Heta, जिसको हम हेता बहन बोलते हैं.
Yeah.
Baba Shams, who's the mentor of my boys and who takes care of Milano. He made sure that the planning of the hotel was done. Then I had Wasim, who showed me this property, beautiful property, Club by Fanar in Havana. Then I had Shravani, my video content creator. I had Pranav and Atul and Jafar, the videographers. Then I had Daud, Yasser and Arnold, the photographers. Then I had Monica and Sam to take care of the guest, and Nidish, and the young little boy who was
Jinay.
Jinay, my
Jinay.
bodyguard.
So all this team made it possible.
Yeah.
तो मैंने I'm lucky, all this young generation के बच्चों ने सारी मेहनत लगाई. इन्होंने दिन रात काम किया, एक पैर पे खड़े थे. मुझे याद है एक टाइम पे मेरा फोटोग्राफर बेचारा बैग पकड़ के बैठा था, तो मुझे गिल्टी फील हो रहा था कि भाई जाके आराम करे. बहुत मेहनत की है और हर गेस्ट को सेटिस्फाई करना इतना आसान नहीं है. हर गेस्ट के किसी ना किसी का कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट होती है,
Yeah.
बट सबका ख्याल उन्होंने रखा, सबको खुश रखा। तो मैं उन सब मेरी टीम का बहुत दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ। ये मैंने पुल ऑफ किया, मेरी क्रिएटिविटी होगी बट मेहनत उनकी सारी थी।
सर ये वाला सपना तो आपका पूरा हो गया, और कोई सपने जो अधूरे रह गए अभी तक?
यस, एक सपना है जो दिल के बहुत करीब है, बहुत ज्यादा करीब है। जिस दिन मेरा वो सपना होगा, बड़ी बात नहीं, लेकिन अगर वो दिन आ जाएगा हमारी जिंदगी में, वो हमारी जिंदगी का सबसे खुशी का दिन होगा। मैं आपको लोगों के सामने बताऊंगा नहीं, जो देख रहे उनको पता है मैं किस सपने की बात कर रहा हूँ। और वो अगर पूरा हो जाता है तो मैं अल्लाह मियाँ से कहूँगा कि यार आपने मेरी सारी फरमाइशें पूरी कर दी, उसके अलावा मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए।
Yeah, we all know what his dream is, and I hope it comes true for him. Well, the fact is that I'm truly honored that all the guests took the initiative to travel to the engagement, coming to Salalah, especially, one is coming from UAE, but a lot of people came from different other countries, and I'm very thankful to them, and I hope they enjoyed. And I can say personally that I enjoyed with them a lot, especially with my friends, my brother's friends, Adil Sergeant's friends, and all the uncle aunties. So thank you so much for coming.